Hi, it's Brahm here. Today I want to talk to you about a basic understanding and an orientation towards garment technology, which is just a fancy way of referring to the process of making clothes. Making clothes require the skill to make a garment pattern and to cut and sew it to fit the body that you are dressing to perfection. Making patterns requires a basic understanding of the shape of the human body, how to measure it accurately and translate these measurements onto flat paper. When these flat pattern pieces are cut and sewn together, they should fit in the desired way around the three-dimensional shape of the human figure. I shall guide you through a set of tutorials in which I step by step explain the entire process from zero to a level of proficiency where you will be able to make beautiful clothes for yourself and anybody else that you care to dress. In addition to lecturing, I worked as a designer for major garment manufacturing concerns and have a PhD in textiles and fashion. I also worked in association with the International Wool and Textile Organization and conducted an independent research study in the field of the empowerment of women through garment manufacturing under the auspices of the United Nations Development Programme in Africa. Making garments is a visual discipline, and I taught many people in deep rural parts of Africa to assemble garments without the benefit of a common verbal language. Making garments is not rocket science, but you have to understand that to be successful, you have to appreciate two things. Number one, whatever you make must go onto a human body. And number two, garments are made from cloth. To make garments successfully, you have to forget all your prejudices about the human body. All people wear clothes, and like the leaves of a tree, we all come in different shapes and sizes, and not two of us are exactly alike. You may dress a body shaped like a fashion model, or you may dress a plus size. You may dress bootylicious or a pregnant ballerina. In this course, you will be guided to understand the different qualities of textiles, and as you develop a love and an appreciation for the raw materials that you work with, you will add endless hours of enjoyment to the process of crafting garments. As a footnote, I would like to add that a grounded knowledge in the discipline of garment technology forms the basis of all communication amongst fashion professionals. And even if you are never expected to produce a pattern or sew a garment, without this knowledge, you will never command the level of respect that you otherwise would. To assist you, I compiled a set of garment tutorials that takes you on a clear step-by-step process where you learn to operate your sewing machine and other equipment, make patterns and sew beautiful garments. Click the button to the right side of this video. It will give you access to download a free PDF file in which the contents of each individual learning module contained in this course is explained.